Since we craft a lot, we like to keep our supplies organized. We had an old pencil holder that we've been using for a while, and we were going to make a new one because it was falling apart. So for today's video, we decided to show you how. We hope you enjoy!
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome DIYs. Welcome to Mommy and Princesses Crafts.
To make the pencil holder, we used heavy-duty cardstock, scissors or a cutting tool, a pencil, and glue. This is the pencil holder we've been using, and as you can see, it's looking a little shabby. We made it many years ago to hold some of the things we'll need, but now it's time to make another one. We started off by deciding which cardstock to use. We're using heavy-duty cardstock so that the pencil holder lasts longer. Using the first pencil holder, we marked how wide and how tall we wanted the new one to be. It needed to be around the same size, so it would fit in the space we had for it, and so it could hold everything we put inside. We also double-checked the height of the pencil holder, using the glue bottle we planned to put inside. Then we marked off the height using a pencil. Next, we cut off the excess cardstock. We took the cardstock and folded it almost in half, leaving a centimeter extra. That way, we can fold it over to seal the pencil holder. Then we folded over the smaller flap. Then we folded that in half again. We ended up with 4 sides of the pencil holder, plus 1 small flap. We folded the little tab over and sealed it using some glue. Then we let that dry. Once it was finished drying, we folded over one end of the cardstock like so. This will be the base of the pencil holder. We creased it firmly. Since we have to fold this over to make the base, we cut the edges to make 4 different flaps. Once that was done, we glued the flaps together to make the base of the pencil holder. Then we put everything inside the box to hold the base down firmly until it dried. This will give the pencil holder a nice flat bottom. Also, a little life hack would be to use a broken chair leg, like we did here, to flatten the bottom of the pencil holder. And you're done! If you want, you could also decorate it, like we did our last one, but we decided to keep this pencil holder plain. And this is the finished pencil holder.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Bye!